Today we're diving into a somewhat controversial yet fascinating topic, using reverse psychology to punish a woman in a relationship the right way. Now, let's be clear, when we say punish, we're not talking about anything harmful or negative. It's about influencing behavior positively using reverse psychology techniques. So, let's get started. 1. Don't put her on a pedestal. When someone you care about ignores you, it's tempting to elevate them on a pedestal, thinking they're worth more than your self-esteem. This mindset is detrimental. Understand that your self-worth is paramount. Developing a sense of self-superiority, believing that no one is inherently superior to you, is essential. By demonstrating that you value yourself above all, you maintain your confidence and self-respect. 2. The power of composure. Imagine a scenario where a woman begins to ignore you. Your immediate reaction might be one of frustration and hurt, but it's crucial to avoid acting like a spoiled child. Instead, maintain your composure. When you don't let her pull you into the trap of emotional outbursts, you preserve your dignity. This mature response can make her realize that you're not easily swayed and might even make her crave your attention more. 3. Avoid begging for attention. A common mistake men make is begging for a woman's attention when she starts ignoring them. This reaction feeds her ego and diminishes your self-esteem. Resist the urge to seek her validation. Instead, shift your focus to personal growth and other important aspects of your life. This shift not only preserves your self-esteem, but also makes her wonder why her actions don't affect you as expected. 4. Show emotional strength. Displaying emotional weakness when ignored can compromise your image. Men are often perceived as strong, and showing vulnerability can make you appear easy to manipulate. Control your emotions and remain calm. When you demonstrate emotional resilience, you show that you're not easily influenced by others. This strength can make her regret her decision to ignore you. 5. Be mysterious. Maintain an element of mystery. Don't always be an open book. When you keep some aspects of your life private, it piques her curiosity and interest. This intrigue can lead her to seek more of your attention and time. 6. The art of ignoring back. It might seem counterintuitive, but ignoring her existence can be a powerful response. Many women seek attention, and when they don't get it, they become intrigued. By ignoring her back, you show that you're not desperate for her approval. This approach creates an air of mystery, making her question her decision and increasing your self-worth. 7. Invest in self-improvement. Instead of fixating on why she's ignoring you, invest in your personal growth. Develop your skills, pursue education, or focus on professional development. This not only elevates your status, but also attracts others. Women are drawn to men who excel and have higher social and economic status. By focusing on self-improvement, you not only make her regret ignoring you, but also attract positive attention from others. 8. Keep yourself busy. When ignored, it's easy to feel lost. Instead, immerse yourself in activities that bring you joy and satisfaction. Whether it's a hobby, learning something new, or engaging in personal projects, keeping busy distracts you from the situation and shows that your happiness doesn't depend on her attention. This independence can make her reconsider her actions. 9. Value your relationships. Seek support from friends and family when you feel ignored. These relationships reinforce your sense of self-worth and provide emotional support. Showing that you have a strong support network can make her realize your value and reconsider her behavior. 10. Be assertive and set boundaries. Communicate your boundaries and expectations assertively. Make it clear that you deserve respect and consideration. If she continues to ignore you, protect your emotional well-being by distancing yourself. This assertiveness can make her understand the importance of treating you with respect. 11. Know when to walk away. Finally, understand that sometimes the best form of reverse psychology is knowing when to walk away. If the relationship is toxic, or if your efforts are consistently met with disrespect, it might be time to reconsider the relationship altogether. Self-respect and personal well-being should always come first. Thank you for watching. If you liked the video, then share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel for more such videos.